Hello my friends, and welcome back to the rabbit hole, and welcome to an extra special video. Today we are unboxing the Yesstyle Advent Calendar for 2022. Yesstyle was so kind to send this over, and in today's video, what I'm going to do is show you everything that is inside of this calendar, along with some little swatches, the products in use. Those clips will all be later, but I'll add some, extra commentary, just thoughts on all of the products inside. Now, the theme for this year is Beauty and the Bakery. Absolutely love this theme. This is a 24-day advent calendar filled with Korean beauty products, both skincare as well as makeup products. The value of the products is over $300, and this will retail for about $165. I do have some notes on the release dates. I believe it says it will be available for pre-order on September 20th. I'll make sure to update you all in my stories and over on Instagram. But the official launch date will be October 11th. Don't forget to combine coupon codes with this. Use whatever coupon code is available through Yesstyle, and also add a rewards code if you would like to use mine. It is RABBITHOLE. Enough talk. I know you all have got to be excited to see what is inside here, so let's go ahead and start opening this advent calendar. As you can see, this advent calendar is too big for me to completely fit on the screen, but I think we can still manage showing all of the contents this way. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside here. We are going to start with day number 1, where we have a makeup item from Romand. This is the Better Than Cheek shade 03 Blueberry Chip. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside here. This looks like such a soft and pretty shade. I feel like even if you're hesitant with blush, you could enjoy this one. Moving on to day number 2 right here, we have, oh, I know what this is. This is the AliceintheRabbitHole Chestnut AHA 8% Clear Essence. Let me make sure you can clearly see it on the screen. This is a fantastic product. This is the 2022 reformulation of AliceintheRabbitHole's 8% AHA Essence, now with chestnut. We're way over here for day number 3. Let's see what we have in here. I wonder if this is a spoiler. Is it going to be a lip product here? Moonshot. Oh, look at that. Performance Lip Blur Fixing Tint. This is one of those brands that I've seen around a lot, but I haven't tried anything from them. Okay, it's the shade Bang. Looks like it is going to be, ooh, that's a very pretty color. Looks like it's a whipped formula. I'll of course have more info for you in the corner after I've tried all of these. We're getting into drawer number 4 down here. Ooh, this is big. Oh my goodness. This is one of my absolute favorite products, the Apyunkangul Black Tea Time Reverse Eye Patch. I hauled this a while ago. I used it up completely. These are such beautiful eye patches. Let me open this so I can show you. Are you prepared for this reveal? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I really felt like these gave a lot more of a long-term benefit than I was expecting also. Oh, I'm so happy to have more of these. Day number 5 is right here. Let's see what we have in this day. Oh, Rovectin. I love the Rovectin brand. Let's see. This is, oh, the LHA Blemish Ampoule. I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. So I think this is actually the full-size product. I believe it's a smaller product. Oh, it has little stickers in it. You see this? Comes with stickers. And then here's the product itself. LHA is kind of an alternative to ingredients like BHA. It's a little bit more gentle and acts just a little bit differently, but it's worth trying different variations on exfoliating ingredients. Cannot wait to try this. Day number 6 right here. What do we have? Vegan eyeliner from Mizone. Okay. Is it a pen or a pencil style here? Oh goodness, yes, I hope, oh, it's a pen. Lip draw, ooh, oh my goodness, you see that? Ooh, this looks like a really nice eyeliner. This brand is another one of those brands that I've been curious about for a long time, but I don't think I've ever tried anything from them. So it's really exciting to get to try a makeup item in here. So far, I feel like we have a really good blend of skincare and makeup. Let's find day 7 over here. All right, feels like a little bit of a heavier day. Oh my goodness, sorry. Oh yes, Beauty of Joseon's Glow Serum with propolis and niacinamide. Y'all, this is one of my favorite Beauty of Joseon products. If you saw my ranking, absolutely love the brand. Absolutely love this product. It is the full-size product. Oh, it's so good. This is such a nice addition to this box. I love so much that Beauty of Joseon does this. Propolis extract 59.94%, niacinamide 2%, and no added fragrance. Just such a gorgeous ingredients list. Number 8 is down here, just so you can see. I'm going to move it back into place, but let's get into, this is a big box today. Naming Reflecting Pearl Fixer. I don't know, oops, let me straighten this out. I don't know what that means. It's going to be a primer, perhaps? Let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. Can you see the swirling effect? So I guess this is a spray. How do you spray and apply evenly throughout the whole face after shaking the formula several times to ensure it's mixed? Okay. I have never heard of this, but this looks so exciting. And again, this is what I was talking about, where I feel Yesstyle gives you products that you wanted to try. You know, the Beauty of Joseon, the Pyeongkang Yule, and then they also add in products where you're going, why have I never heard of this? It looks so nice. Day number 9 is right here. Let's see what we have. It is, oh, Frutia. I have been wanting to try this brand for so long. This is the Avocado Relief Cream, the smaller size, if I can get it open. Always a struggle for me. Oh my gosh, look at how adorable. Look at how cute this is. How does it open? Is it just oh, it's just a standard twist top. I expected it to have more scent based on the hand creams that I know and love from this brand, but it really doesn't. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh. All right. Day number 10 down here. We have some coffee and moisturizer. That sounds exactly like my mornings. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, I recognize this packaging, y'all. This is another fantastic product. This is the By Wish Trend Green Tea and Enzyme Powder Wash. It is such a good dupe for products like the Amore Pacific, for the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. This stuff is amazing. I talk about this a lot more in my ranking of cleansers from 2021. Oh, this is so exciting to see. Day 11 is down here in this sliding drawer. Let's see what we have. Neogen. Oh, okay. Extra. I thought the brand was extra for a moment. Extra Slim Metal Maxi Cara. So I'm guessing this is a mascara. Ooh, oh my goodness. What on earth? It's so heavy and it feels so nice to hold. What is this? It's a mascara. Oh, that's so interesting. Oh, I cannot wait to update you all on this. What on earth? An innovative metal mascara that uses a metal brush bristle to evenly coat. Wow, that is so interesting. Day 12. Day 12 is looking like a big day. Let's see what we have in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's Purito. Okay. Inner green reusable cotton rounds. Wow, 10 pads plus a mesh bag. Oh, I love that they included this. These are so wonderful, y'all. You will find you do not have to keep buying the old school rounds, you know, the disposable type, once you find a good system like this. What a nice addition to this box. I wish everyone would try these because they're really, really nice. And what a nice little bag as well, so it can dry out. So what I do with the bag, I actually take out the rounds and I have them in a drawer in my bathroom, and then I hang the bag so that after I finish using them, I put the rounds, the used rounds, into the bag, and then I can just take the whole bag and put it into the wash. Okay, day 13, we had a big day, now we have a small day, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be small in our hearts. Let's see what we have here. This is, oh, Make Prim Peel Me Radiance Peeling Sleeping Pack. Y'all, I have been wanting to try this one too. What a cute little sleeping pack, and it's a great size, 0.67 fluid ounces. That's definitely enough to get to try out the product. Looks like this is one of the fragrance-free options. That's the catch for me with Make Prim, is some of their products are fragrance-free, but some aren't. So you have to really make sure you read the ingredients. Okay, let's move on to day 14 here, a strawberry. Is this a spoiler? Let's see. What on earth is this? It looks like a lipstick. Why is there water? What is going on? All right, it is a lipstick. What? Oh my gosh, what an adorable case. So this is Corinco. No, I think it's a lip balm. That definitely looks like, yeah, that's a lip balm for sure. What an adorable case though. Can you see the effect of it? Wow. Did you all just hear that Owen Wilson moment? I don't know what that was all about. Anyway, day 15. Ooh, I love this brand. It is the Black Rice Facial Oil. This is a really nice oil. I have tried this one before. It is a little bit more of a lightweight oil, but I think most people will prefer that to a heavier oil. Also a great size. That is a fantastic size to try this. And y'all, an oil, be it light or heavy, will last you a long time. Oh, that is so nice. Day 16, way up here. Oh my goodness, what will we have next? McQueen, New York. I know this brand. This is the My Auto Eyebrow Pencil. This is one I've been wanting to try for a while. I really like the McQueen, New York company for their eyeliners. That's what I've tried a ton of so far. I feel like with eyebrow pencils, I'll have to try it on. So, you know, you're going to see it in the corner of the screen. Cannot wait to see how this one goes. But yeah, this is a really nice brand. And if you love them, the products are not too expensive at all. They are quite affordable. Day 17. I can't get any higher because my mount is right here, so I'm just gonna pull up the bottom here. You'll have to trust me. Here's day 17. Oh, it's Seoris. It's Seoris. I know this company. Bring Back Memories hand cream. Well, that's something I can certainly try on right now. Looks like we have the seal on this product. Let's see. Can I handle opening it? I didn't even do that intentionally. I guess this hand cream has questions for me. Well, I have questions for you too. Oh, that feels so nice. It's very silky feeling. This has such an interesting smell. It smells very Whole Foods. It smells like Whole Foods. I like it. I don't know if everybody will, to be honest with you. It's definitely a natural smell. Yeah, I like it a lot though. That's the smell of food I want to eat all the time but can't afford, you know what I'm saying? Day 18 is also down here. Again, I'll pull it up for you. This is a heavy one. All right, let's see. I know this brand. I know this brand. Some by me. Glow Barrier Calming Mask. Oh, interesting. I don't even know about this product. Let me break the seal on this and we can open this up together. I do love propolis though. Glow Barrier Calming Mask. Oh wow. Oh wow, this looks so different. I'm holding this up for you, but I have to smell this. Hold on just a second. I don't know how to describe that. Again, the last product, I don't know how to describe it. Wish I was better at describing smells. That is very interesting. I recently finished off my I'm From Honey mask, and I haven't been sure if I want to repurchase it. I've been kind of wanting to buy something else. Look, I just spilled it on myself. Calm it down, Alice. You can't get too excited. Yeah, I can't wait to see if this will be a nice substitute. That is something, see, that's another one of these products I would not have picked out, but I'm very, very interested in trying this now that I have it in my hand. Okay, what day are we on? We are on 19, right? Ooh, I love the brand Clio. What an incredible makeup brand. Extreme Gel Presso Pencil Liner in Black Brown. What I am loving so far is that it's like this is a full makeup set. If you don't have a lot of K-beauty, you could get this and do a full routine. You know, you have your pencil style liner right here. You had the pen earlier. You have brow products, lip products, and of course a whole skincare routine. It's such a great curation. Day 20 is another one that is slightly off the screen for you, so we'll move it up. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Oh, yes. Sorry, this is another brand that I've been really curious about, but I haven't tried much from. The Goodall Vegan Rice Milk Moisturizing Cream. Okay, let's see what this is all about. 70 milliliters, and the ingredients here looks like Looks like a fragrance-free formula with some ceramide, always with the seal in K-Beauty products, so we'll go ahead and remove that. Ooh, look at that. That looks like a lovely moisturizer. Ooh, oh, I cannot wait to try that. Day 21 is another one of these big days. I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting this for years. This is the Art Class by Too Cool for School Shading Master Shading and Brush Kit in the shade 01. Oh, y'all, I've seriously been wanting to try this for years. Let's see. So, okay, we have a brush. Oh, that's so nice. Cute little brush in here. And here's the palette itself with a nice selection of shades. So this could work for quite a variety of skin tones. That is so cute. Day 22, another small day. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's the Cosrx Lip Sleep. Okay, I've talked a lot about this on my channel. I actually have this right behind me right now. This is a fantastic hydrating lip product, which again is so rare. If you've seen me talk about this, it's so rare to find that. Almost all of the lip products on the market kind of feel much more occlusive and they lock in moisture, whereas this one, it feels like it provides it. Y'all, look what just happened. The label from this just flew off and landed in there, and I don't think I can get it out. That's okay, we're almost done. Day 23 is another big day. What is this? Sheet masks? Let's see. Oh my goodness, how up my alley. A foot moisturizing mask by 11 Village Factory. Looks like there are 5 of them in here. This is, are these booties? Yes, they're booties. Again, with the wide variety of options. I love this. I'm not including foot pictures. Sorry, please forgive me in advance. The internet's a wild place, yo. It's a wild place. But these are so nice. I love that this isn't just sheet mask. It is something different. And our very last day, day 24, what do we have going on here? It's hard to get out. Oh, Peri Para, another makeup brand. I am quite familiar with this brand as well. Let's see. Oh, this is going to be cute. Sugar Twinkle. So this is a liquid glitter. I love products like this. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Whoa, that is a lot more glitter than I expected it to be. That's really cute. What a fun way to end. Perfect for what you choose to wear on a Christmas day. Add a little bit of glitter to your holiday look, right? I'm back for some final thoughts. I want to say that in the past, I've talked about how Yesstyle's Advent Calendar is kind of unique in its own way to me compared to some other Advent Calendar options. It definitely has a little bit more of items that are new to me, brands that I hadn't heard of, and yet once I try on all of the products, I feel like I'm very happy with them. I find myself going, why have I never tried that before? Great example being the Sun By Me mask, amazing. The Clio eyeliner might be one of the best eyeliners I've ever tried. The lip balm, super creamy, feels great on your lips. But then also some of the current most popular products, the By Wish Trend Cleanser, the Pyunkang eye patches. It's a really good assortment where I feel like whether you're buying this for somebody who is brand new to K-Beauty, it's going to be such a fun unboxing and usage experience. But also if you are somebody who has a lot of K-Beauty, chances are high you're still going to be opening products you've never tried before. I guess I'm saying Yesstyle does a good job curating this no matter where you are in your K-Beauty journey. But that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all next time.